Big news from the Supreme Court. Tamil Nadu Governor R.N. Ravi has been pulled up for sitting too long on 10 repass bills. The court said under Article 200, governors can't just ignore bills. They must act within a reasonable time. And the court has now defined what that means. Well, first, what do governors do? Well, before any law becomes enforceable in the state, the governor must sign and give his assent. Only then can law be enforceable. The Supreme Court laid down timelines for giving assent, which are that governor now has only 1 month to withhold assent, 3 months to return it to the legislature with specific reasons, and 3 months to reserve it for the president. And if the bill is sent back to the legislature and repassed, the governor must give an assent within 1 month. No exceptions. But here's the catch. If governors must approve a bill within limited time, does this take away their only real power, the power to withhold assent? Is the governor now just a rubber stamp? Yes, this ensures accountability and avoids delays, but does it also weaken the governor's role in checking the legislature? The verdict is a win for smoother lawmaking, but we also wonder, have governors lost the last real tool of dissent? Let me know what you think.